Hello traders and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I post content like this, you'll be among the first to get notified. Sorry it has been a while I posted some strategies here, but believe me, from today henceforth, I'll be posting one or two strategy every day so that you can be able to definitely use them to scalp the market. Is that clear? Now, today I just want to show you a simple scalping strategy you can use to scalp any pair, be it currency pair, crypto pair, or synthetic indices, right? Now, it is mainly for the overbought and oversold level, and I'll prefer you try it on the 1 hour time frame when the conditions are, are in line. Is that clear? Now, this strategy just needs only three indicators, the window 1 and the window 2. So, before I show you the settings, in the window 1, we have the money flux index and then the um, RSI. But the RSI, we only need the levels. We don't need the main indicator, which is the RSI moving average. So how do we use these settings for taking overbought and oversold in the market? Now what we are looking out for is the digits, and I'm going to show you the digits. For the money flow index, whenever the digit is around 70, right, let's say 70 or 80, and then you can spot that your RSI below 50. That means your RSI is below 50, right? Most especially in your H1, then you can take trade. If your MFI, which is the money flow index, is around 70, let's say 80 or 70, right? It indicates price has gotten to overbought level. The only way you are going to know is you will notice most of the time, you notice that price, when you check your H1, you notice that price is at a strong resistance level, right? That is the first confirmation that indeed price has gotten to a strong resistance level. So what you are going to do is you are going to use it to scalp the market. Let's say you want to take sell, right? You can take sell to get little profit, then you close immediately. Why your RSI should be below 50. If your RSI is above 50, there's high tendency that price is going to spike. Is that clear? But if the main thing or the major thing here is the MFI, which is the money flow index, is a very good indicator which many new traders don't know about. When the level is around 70, most especially in your 1 hour time frame, there's high tendency that price is going to what? Drop. Because at that moment, when you check your chart, price is usually at a strong resistance zone. I'm not saying you should hold it for too long. Exactly. The reason why I hold this one for too long is I have a strategy in place which uh, is very accurate. Let me not say accurate, at least over 90% accurate when you follow the instructions. Exactly. So, but using this strategy, this very one, make sure your MFI in your chart is above is around 80 or 70. So when it's below 70, when it's below 80, it automatically indicate price is coming down from a resistance. So that moment you can scalp it. Even if it spike, it will definitely go back to profit. Is that clear? But your RSI should be less than 50. Because if your RSI is above 50, it shows that if the spike comes up at that point in time, it might hit you hardly. Then to add the second window, which is this window, it is called the William rate. William rate now is around minus 50, telling you price is getting close to a strong support zone, which if you look at the chart, there's a support zone here. So in any moment from now, I'm going to close that trade. And my RSI is already entering 50 back, right? So any moment from now, I'm going to close those trade. Exactly. because presently you can see what I'm saying. You can see it, right? You see the spike. You can see the spike, right? So this is why I said I'll close the trade any moment from now. But nevertheless, don't worry. Since I'm teaching you, it's good it happens this way so that you'll be able to learn from it and you'll be able to utilize it anytime you see something of such. All right. Now, another thing again is another thing again here is use the 1 hour time frame. Don't try it on lower time frame. Even though you're going to try it on lower time frame, make sure that the parameters needed is accurate um in your higher time frame. Exactly. The parameters needed is accurate in your higher time frame. Sorry, RSI is still below 50. Exactly, still below 50. So, and this one, it was around 72 before I took that entry that time. So just make sure you follow this instruction. It can work both on forex pairs and synthetic indices. Right? I think there was a trade I took on crash 500. Let me check. Yes, it was a buy. Can you see? The MFI was below 20. It was around 30 when I took it, and price is coming up. Right? Price is going up. So that was why I took that trade. You can see. So this one too, I will not take long. I will close it as well. Exactly. So the settings for this indicator, when you click on this chart here, on this icon here, it's going to take you to where the settings are. The RSI, here is the digit, level 50, sorry, period 50. Then the settings should be 80, 90, 10, 20. Ignore this 5. We don't need it. Exactly. Once price is above 20, then your MFI is around 40. You can buy. Exactly. Once it cross above 20 in the RSI window, then your MFI is around 20, 30, 40. You can buy. Then you scalp a bit. In your 1 hour time frame, any pair you are going to even try it at all should be on your 1 hour time frame. That is your daily, which talks more about the daily time frame. Exactly. Then the next indicator is the money flow index itself, 14. Leave it on ticks, that is all. Then your Williams range should be 50, and here are the levels: minus 50, minus 99, minus 80, minus 10, minus 20. So when price is above minus 20, it's indicating strong buy, and when price is below 80 or 99, is strong sell region. Exactly. So this is the settings. Now, should in case you want something more accurate that will give you consistent profit like this, right? Consistent profit either on forex or synthetic indices. Now, try to check out there is a private blog where I post the softwares you are going to need, most especially if you have a CP. That means you have a laptop or a computer, right? Because for that strategy, you need a CP, right? You need a laptop, because once I those softwares you are going to install it on your computer. But if you don't have a CP, then you are going to get a VPS for mobile phone, right? You get a VPS for mobile phone. That VPS will enable you to install those softwares. Then on my blog here, let me show you. On my blog here, the details and the video about that strategy, everything is here. So once you make your payment and you subscribe for it, I'll give you all the necessary details to get access to this page, including the video, where you get all the videos for the teaching and everything. It doesn't take time. Exactly, it doesn't take time. So you get access to this page, this blog, where the information are. Then you also get all the necessary softwares. I'll send them to your mail. Then you will join my mentorship class. That means the VIP class, where we talk about what price is going to do, either the weekly or on a daily. Exactly. So try out that strategy I just showed you and let me know your opinion. Make sure you practice it before you go live with it. Like I said, from now henceforth, I'll be posting at least 1 or 2 mobile strategy every day. But if you want something that is more concrete, you want to learn forex in a full way, not using indicators alone, then don't hesitate to check the description below. You see my WhatsApp number there. Then you get access to all this information Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you are new, please make sure you subscribe. It's very important.